Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a little bit of cosmetic touches inside the car. I'm going to wrap this panel and this one with a carbon fiber wrap. That's what I'm going to do today and see how is that going to look like. There is nothing wrong with the car right now. There's nothing wrong with this panel. I just want to make it look different than the way it's always been. So let's get started. First, we're going to remove this panel. To do that, I'm going to use this pry tool, this plastic pry tool. That's what I'm going to use to take this out. And also, I'm going to remove this panel. Let's get to it. All right, I'm going to apply a little bit of alcohol to wipe the surface. All right, wiping the surface. All right, next get your precision knife and cut it to the desired length that you're going to use. I guess this is perfect for me. While applying the vinyl wrap, just be patient and work your way around. Also, this vinyl wrap supports using heat gun. If you see the surface is not even, I will actually really highly encourage you to use a heat gun to stretch out the vinyl wrap to go into those uneven surface or cornering for you to get the best smoothing surface. So carry on, be patient, you will get the best result. All right, this is the most critical section. This section here is the most critical one. Look at how I'm going to do it. I'm going to cut here. I'm going to cut it toward the center. I do the same toward the center and in the middle, and also in the middle, and that will help to fold that thing. So this is the way I will do it. Boom, and do the same way this side. Right, see this way, see the way I did it, see the way I cut it. All right, good people, this is the result. Man, this is just so satisfying. Tip of the day, be patient. Don't be afraid to use the heat gun and you will get the perfect results when vinyl wrapping. And this marks the end of this episode. If you like it, don't forget to smash that like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Catch you on the next one.